Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you in this hands-on lab we are using security groups and network access control lists to segment the network so only necessary traffic is available. You will gain experience with using security groups and network access control lists to secure the different layers of a multi-tier application. Log into your AWS environment, use your credentials. First step, navigate to the services, click VPC or type in search bar VPC, click VPC. Under networking and content delivery, so click security groups located in the left sidebar menu here. Security groups. Select the security group Bastion and click inbound rules located in the lower panel. Bastion. Inbound rules. Click edit inbound rules. Click add rule and set the following values. Add rule, SSH, source anywhere, IPv4 anywhere. Save rules. Yes. Next step, select security group ALB and click inbound rules. Here, ALB, inbound rules. Edit inbound rules. Add rule. Type HTTP. HTTP. From anywhere also. And save rules. Next step, select the security group app server and click inbound rules. App server, inbound rules, edit rules, add rules. Type here HTTPS from anywhere and save rule. Now custom ALB, just a moment. Sorry, we should add one more to ALB. Edit inbound rules, add rule, HTTPS from anywhere, save rule. Check app server, edit inbound rules. Yes, HTTP, right. Source is custom ALB. Custom ALB. We should add security group from here. As you see, ALB. Select here ALB and save rule. We should add one more rule. Inbound rules, edit, add rule, rule is SSH, from anywhere, no, from Bastion, custom Bastion. Search here your Bastion. Okay, save rules. The next step, select security group RDS DB. All these groups, security groups, you should create before. Edit inbound rule. Add rule. Type MySQL Aurora. MySQL Aurora. Custom, and you should add app server security groups here. And save rules. Now all security groups is ready for using. Now we should configure DMZ ACLs. Click Network ACLs located in the left sidebar menu. Network ACLs. Select Network ACL DMZ and click Inbound Rules. DMZ Inbound Rules. Edit Inbound Rules. Add new rule and set the following values. Add new rule. Rule number is 100 SSH. Source is from anywhere. Allow. Now add new rule. One more. Add another rule. Rule number is 110. Type here HTTP. Also source from anywhere and allow. One more rule. Add new rule. Rule number is 120 HTTPS protocol 443 from anywhere and allow. One more. Rule number is 130 custom TCP. Port range is 1024 and 65535. Source from anywhere and allow. Finally, save change. Now we should configure outbound rules. Click outbound rules, edit outbound rules, add new rule. Rule number is 100, 110, SSH. Protocol is SSH from anywhere and allow. One more rule. Rule number is 110. Protocol HTTP 80 from anywhere and allow. One more rule. 120 HTTPS 443 from anywhere and allow. One more rule. 130 custom TCP. Port range 1024 65535 from anywhere and allow. Finally, save change. Click. Now we should associate the subnets. click subnet associations, edit subnet associations, select DMZ1 public and DMZ2 public, and DMZ2 public, and save changes. Next step, we should configure the AppLayer ACL. Select network ACL, DMZ, and select AppLayer. DMZ and AppLayer. Quick inbound rules. Now, click AppLayer. Inbound rules. Edit inbound rules. Add new rule. Rule number is 100. HTTP port number 80 from anywhere and allow. Next, one more rule. 110 custom TCP. Port range is the before I enter it, from anywhere, and save changes. Now we should go outbound rules, edit outbound rules, add new rule, 100 HTTP from anywhere and allow. Next, add new rule, 110 custom TCP, port range from anywhere and allow, save changes. Now we should subnet associations, edit subnet associations, select AppLayer 1 and AppLayer 2, and AppLayer 1, and save changes. Now we should configure the database layer ACLs, inbound rules, edit inbound, add new rule, 100, MySQL Aurora, from anywhere and allow. One more, 110 custom port range from anywhere, and save changes. Now we should go outbound rules, edit, add rule, rule number 1, MySQL from anywhere, and one more rules, also 110 custom port range from anywhere, and click save changes. Subnet, don't forget subnet associations, edit subnet associations, select database layer 1, DBLayer 1 and DBLayer 2, and save change. Conclusion. Congratulations, you have completed this hands-on lab. Have a nice day.